Big Mo. Welcome to the Lawn Stars, people. And if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. And hit the thanks if you want to donate to the show. Guys, yesterday was a little embarrassing. I mowed my yard, and then I mowed the neighbor's yard over here. And so I go over there, start mowing, I mow the front. And then as I come along and start to go to the back, I realize that they were having a party, a pool party. So it was just very awkward, you know, because, you know, there's a lot of people there, and they were more were coming. It was like right as I started, more and more people were coming. So I didn't realize that was going on. So I felt really, you know, kind of embarrassed about that. And, you know, it was very awkward. But what I want to know from you guys is, have you ever just been mowing and unthinkingly just do something silly and you cause a awkward debacle? Let me know in the comments below if you have. Anyway, I want to tell you now, I want to show you or share some knowledge with you about changing the fluids in your V-Ride 2. And I know some of you may say, but Big Mo, come on, man. I mean, how hard is it to change your fluids in your V-Ride 2? I mean, how could you mess that up? I mean, that's elementary. There's nothing to it. Nothing could go wrong doing that. Well, I would say au contraire, mon frere. That's what I would say, because things can go wrong, you know. I mean, not wrong per se, but just there might be a kink in the whole process. And I had one of those, and I'll share it with you. I bought the oil filter the other day at the dealership for the mower because I knew the oil change was coming up. And so I bought this one right here, or they gave this one to me. I don't know if you could see that, but it's 490650724. Okay, they gave me that one, and didn't think anything about it. And time came to change the oil, and I was draining the oil out of it. So I drained the oil out of it and took the actually I didn't take it out, I just looked at it and went, ooh, because it had this one on there, 490650721, and it's noticeably a bigger circumference than this one. I don't know if you can tell the difference on camera, but it's quite bigger around than that one. Yeah, so I thought, oh, they gave me the wrong filter. That maybe they thought I was talking about the old mower when I asked for a filter for the mower. So happens this one does fit the old mower, so I was like, well, I'll keep it. But I'm going to drive over there. I'm going to have to drive over there and get the filter for this mower. So I went over there, and I needed to go over there anyway because I needed to get the filter for the hydro, which I hadn't bought yet, because that's coming up. I'm changing that. So I get over there. He gives me the filter for the hydro, and then you know, ask him for the oil filter. He hands me another one of those. Yeah. So I was like, wait a minute, buddy. Nah. I said, are you sure that's the right one? And he said, yes, we get calls on this about every day, about this filter. And believe it or not, I guess you mechanics out there would believe it, you know, but just us laymen, believe it or not, this fits. It worked. Even though this one's shorter and bigger around, that one's taller and smaller, it worked. He said they worked just the same. I was like, okay, you know, and I put it on there. It works fine. But that's something that could throw you for a loop, you know, if you see this or you get that and you're expecting this, you know. So yeah, that went okay. But then also something I want to tell you about that you may not know about, because I've talked to a couple people that didn't know this. When you change the hydro fluid in these, which is, as you probably know, it's the same thing. It's the same oil goes in your engine that goes in the hydro. You're supposed to fill the hydro filter up. You're supposed to fill it up with oil before you install it. And a couple of people didn't know that, so thought I'd share that with you. Yeah, you just keep pouring it in there. It'll be like there, and then it'll go down. Then you just keep filling it up until it holds a lot. I mean, oddly, it holds quite a bit of oil. So yeah, I know some of you may be going, but some of you may mechanically inclined, or you know, mechanics. We knew that, Big Mo. Well, some of these people maybe didn't know it, you know, so I'm letting them know. You didn't need that info, but maybe they do. But let's go mow now, okay? Let's just go mow, and then we'll do some other shenanigans after we get through. So let's go do that. Let's go do it right now.
Not a period, I'm a comma. Trying to see wash like the Dalai Lama. But every time you speak to me, my mind's lost in its own geography. Blame it on the ADHD, watch your thoughts fall out of my brain. You know that I love you, you know that I need you. So why do you walk away? Did you slip me a potion?
So you may have noticed in that video that I got new wheels for the old Velky there. Yeah, I couldn't keep airing those things. You know, you probably see me mowing with them before in old videos, and it's just wobbling along because one of the other wheels flat. You know, there's just constantly being flat. So I found these, I think on eBay. They were like 80 something bucks for 2 of them. So not too bad. They're solid, so they can't go flat. But anyway, enough about that. Probably what you're here for is yeah, I got home from mowing a little earlier, and mowing the lady across the street's yard. And the question I got for you guys is are zombie birds a thing now? I mean, we've had the plague and all this other stuff, but are zombie birds a thing? Because I think I found a zombie bird. Yeah. I'll show some footage right here. I mean, it just was not acting right. For one thing, it was extremely brave. You know, didn't think anything about me having the mower with the blades running right by it. So then it proceeded to follow me around the yard. I mean, stalking me, if you will. Its mouth was agape, had a funny look in its eye. Yeah. So tell me guys, do you guys think that this is indeed a zombie bird? Because there's definitely something off with it. So anyway, love you guys. Stay healthy. You know, drink your water, take your vitamins, drink your Gatorade, all that jazz. And we love y'all. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. And until next time, Big Mo signing off. Boo!